Hi, my name is Monnappa. I'm the author of the book Learning Malware Analysis. I specialize in malware analysis, memory forensics, and threat hunting. I have trained security professionals from government and private sectors in various conferences like Black Hat, BruCon, and HITB. This year, I'm really excited to teach our course on malware analysis and memory forensics at HITB Cyber Week. In this training, you will learn the concept, tools, and techniques to analyze, investigate, and hunt malware. And also, you will be learning some of the analysis techniques like static analysis, dynamic analysis. I'll be introducing you to the concept of reverse engineering. And also, we will look at some of the Windows internal concepts and the techniques to hunt for malware using memory forensics. This is a completely hands-on training where you will be analyzing real malware samples and you will be hunting for threats from the malware infected memory images. Whether you are a beginner who want to learn malware analysis from scratch or an experienced professional who want to take your skills to the next level, then this course is for you. I promise this course will be fun. And if this sounds interesting, please take a moment to visit the course page and sign up for the training. And also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or HITB organizers, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.